everything realize. Redefine tomorrow. Realize potential. GP Machinery carries forward European technology while continuously advancing its own R&D capabilities. We deliver high precision, high quality, and high production efficiency, meeting customer needs with outstanding customization capabilities. SM231. With high rigidity and 5-axis simultaneous machining, it enables multi-phase processing in a single setup. SM155, SM215. Grinding achieves low vibration at G0.4 grade with mirror surface finish up to RA 0.03 micrometer. SM120. The top choice for intricate engraving and diamond setting. SMRT 240. With a single clamping, turning, drilling, and milling can all be completed at once. Every spindle undergoes rigorous testing before it leaves the factory, including extended high-speed rotation, dynamic balancing, temperature checks, and thermal expansion monitoring. If any stage fails, the process starts over from the beginning. We work closely with machine tool partners around the world. From pre-sale planning to post-sale refurbishment, we provide full-service support from start to finish. At GP Machinery, we share our expertise and stand behind you with unwavering support as your one and only trusted spindle partner. Building connections. Stronger together. Turn with innovation.